can help you get the money by today, but the delivery truck is already back in the state.
Okay.
The company is saying there is another fee to pay. Could I get your credit card information? Is that okay? Okay, I'm gonna give you.
That man don't like him life. That man don't want no money. And them kind of people that come and get rich off no. You give somebody a credit card number now. After you send 3,000 US, brother. That's 300 and must be 50,000 Jamaican dollar, no dog. Already, you know. And you go so boom now, brother. And I will give me a credit card number. You not gonna go broke. Nah, man, got you though.
You give me a second way. 40, 30, 38, 29, 60, 48,
Rich.
23.
What's up YouTube? It's your boy Ty, and I'm back with another reaction video. People for the pseudonym, big up on yourself. Thank you all for subscribing, thank you all for commenting on my videos. You know what I mean? We respect it, we love it. Thanks for the support. You see me I say, but people have goal, God, client, Convo. Like me if it's a scamming song, stop. Shut up. Fuck. Me if it's scamming song, stop make. But really Tyrekejt the client Convo, so no it's a scamming. You see me? We have the I think the song is trend number 1 already, but we never react to it in time, people. But we'll get straight to the reaction now. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, guys. And there was a 10,000 subscribers for this year. Yes, we can do it. I gotta do it. You see me I say? We'll get straight to the video. No! Client Convo, go see what I go on.
I'm not going for them, man.
Whoa! Come out in the room with the energy, everything, yang. What?
Yeah, but them I look fresh.
Yeah?
Sick lad, nude up it. Hold on, there.
Hi, cousin Day, my name is Blake.
Hold on, wait, Mr. Blake. Mr. Blake, your energy back empty, Mr. Blake. Mr. Blake, why you in a robe and a Nike, Mr. Blake? In a robe. What them shoes name again? I don't remember. I have one right over there, so one buckle bit. In a Nike and Air Force, Mr. Blake. I'm going to have the reaction. I can't watch myself for them. I just drop my over the reaction video. You can go check it out. You see me I say artillery, but I'm going to talk in the background. Hold on, I'm forward. I'm going to know, you know? Don't go nowhere, no youth. Trouble. Because what Mr. Blake I deal with now. You see me I say? Ready?
I'm just wondering how you're doing, Mr. Great. Good. It's so wonderful to hear you're doing great.
Yeah.
But did you know you win $1 million today?
Yeah.
Ain't a lot of sweet steaks. But hear me out.
This is a scamming ends the man dep on the dog. Watch ya. You see him there, so on him ends are doing thing in it. Blah blah blah. Yeah. Tell you. Apple grape, you win $1 million, Mr. Blake. Then look at the corner, you see him front over the corner. I do him thing to over the corner over this. So free this dog. It's a scamming ends man them dep on dog. Man, I'm in business with this scamming thing now. I got you.
This is all you get paid. What? Listen me, your check is on the way.
Yeah.
What? But you gotta pay your fees, that okay?
Okay.
Everybody a chop now. Me make union lockdown.
Bumblecly. Everybody a chop now. We make union lockdown. Yo. But nah lie. This come like Governor Convo. You know you talk to yourself. That me I get from it so far. But more if something bad idea night. Me no wow yet, you know. But it's a trend number 1, so more see what really a go on. You see me I say? Got you now.
Custom bust down. Fuck when the new Benz jump down.
Yeah.
Say chop now.
Yeah.
Can't stop me, moon cop not now.
Yeah.
No. Are you now able to pay?
Is it just me? Or me not feel that song, dog? Or just me? Or just like, maybe not my type of song then. Me not know. But me not feel it, dog. Me not feel it, dog. Got you, I'm going to see what I go.
Yes. Okay, this is what I want you to do for me. What? Did you say there's a Western Union down the street? Yes. Okay, I need for you to send us the money. How much? It's just a little small fee. 35,000 US, but today you send 3.
35,000 US dollar. As so much money you scam one time, brother. I need hold so much money from the US, from the America. But I don't know. I don't know why me not. You see me, I say, me not get that. You know what I mean? Me not get that. What that? Wipe on that way, you know what I mean? Go through ya, man. Go so I go on.
Are you crazy? Sir, I want you to listen to me. You're gonna get it all back, so you don't need to worry.
Yeah.
Everybody a chop now.
Hey, I saw the scam of them go on now.
Make union lock
Well,
down.
I said them go on for real, and the man them a go and say, oh, me not send so much money come here, you mad? You not get so much money from me, youth. You see me? And them a say, sir, calm down, you're gonna get it all back. Well, on the dog, me not like dog. Brick from brick, make dog. Any other scamming sign not sound good to me still, dog. Me know why. Me know why me feel that boy as I get dog. Go through though.
Stomachs bust down. Fuck when the new Benz drop down. Say, chop, chop, chop now.
Yeah.
Can't stop me, moon cut, not now. No.
Man, them come back already.
No.
Man, them come back already in a youth. Man, them scam every. Man, them collect the fat check already in a youth. Rest of the day, the corner up on the yang. So, they are scammer, dog. Not scammer, right? I look at yang move on the depot. You see me, I say. I want to look at so the gate one fix on the depot. You see me, I say. I joke me, I make. I chat till now. I'm not really. That's not really catch me like how I catch everybody else.
I did not receive my package.
Sir, calm down. Did you check the tracking?
I tried to call the number, but the call keeping dropping.
How this man I chat someone like same young crutches. Okay, let me go and pull it up for you.
Whoa.
It's showing there right here, it's 2:15.
Whoa. Wait. Go back. Cause my boy not get him money, man. So I go here, ready? Somebody that chat so much like him, I'm crutches, ready?
What the fuck do they eat at, man? No, it's all cool. I can help you get the money by today, but the delivery truck is already back in the state. Now the company is saying there is another fee to pay. Could I get your credit card information? Is that okay?
Okay, I'm gonna give you.
That man don't like him life. That man don't want no money. And them kind of people that come and get rich off no. You give somebody a credit card number now. After you send 3,000 US, brother. That's 300 and must be 50,000 Jamaican dollar, no dog. Already, you know. And you go so boom now, brother. And I will give me a credit card number. You not gonna go broke. Nah, man, go through though.
Give me a second way. 40, 30, 38, 29, 60, 48,
Rich.
23.
Are your grandkids doing great? Are you a Christian? I'm a Christian. Bow your head and let us pray.
Okay. Come on now, I'm a Christian boy. Head and let us pray because you just get her happy out. The man Rabbi in a style in a song. Me feel it now. That's enough to watch a full video now. You see me I say? That's enough to watch a full video now. So if you watch the video to that part, yeah, comment. Comment number 1, just one. Confuse everybody if anybody who watch the video to the part, yeah, want to comment number 1. Anybody who reach us, comment number 1. You see me I say 1. Then I wonder, why don't I comment 1? And then I watch the video. You see me? Got you.
Everybody a chop now. Me make union
Lock down.
Customs bust down.
Bang.
Fuck when the new Benz drop
Whoa.
down. Say, chop
now.
Can't stop me, moon cut, not now. No.
Yo, we not lie though. Me get from the feeling that video, that's the man that, like my at home studio. Him do the song same time and it's got to do. I say, you know what? Ready. And do the video the same time, dog. I just that me get from it, dog. But what do you think of the song, people? No like it or not? Me like it. It bad now. Me not like. Me never, like it. Me like just start. Me just say, what is? What go on? But now, you see me? I say, you think I chop, yo. Me get union locked down. You see me? Yeah, ready.
No.
Chop, no. Lockdown. Whoa. Bruh things, people. What I mean? Like the video, comment, subscribe, and share. It's been a boy, Tyrekejt, and guess we're gonna make a new video right now. I don't know. Bad. I'm out.